What is up, everybody? I want to show you this little doodad. That's what I call these little things, these little laser printed things that I just got, and I want to show you what I plan on doing with it. And I want you to tell me, hey, is this doable? Is it not doable? Is it a fool's errand or what? So here's what I bought. Well, first of all, the Skydio beacon finally showed up. Okay, so this was part of it. Now, what I bought was this GoPro mount for the beacon. Now, I got this on Etsy from this lady here, Miss Chrissy. So, there's her deal there if you want to get one of these. And so you take the beacon and you slide it in there. It snaps right in there. See? It has a little GoPro mount there. So it looks good. Now let me show you what I want to do with it. Now if you look inside here, you'll see she laser printed the USB-C hole there, so it fits all the way down in there. That goes into there, and so it makes it a perfect fit. So you just gotta line it up once you get it on there, and it'll snap real snug right in there. So it's real good. Now let me go show you what I want to do with it. And this is the part where you can tell me if I'm an idiot or it'll work. All right, so there it is right there. There it is set up. The Skydio beacon mounted into the Inspire. So what I want to do is I want to take off the Skydio, set it up to a certain height, stick the beacon on here, stick it back in the holder, and then take off the Inspire. And have the Skydio follow the Inspire around. I mean, it might be like super cool, okay? But I don't know. So if somebody has an idea of, hey, this will work, or hey, there's no way this is gonna work, this is a disaster, a $2,500 disaster waiting to happen, hey, let me know, because I was thinking it might be like a really cool thing. So I think that I'll take this up to Beaver. I don't think I'll do this standing here by myself. I think I'll go up to Copter Bob's and have him be with me while I'm doing this to make sure I'm not doing something totally stupid. So, but we'll see. But I'm not going to do it, this weekend or nothing. The weather here is just, God, Lord, it just went from winter, then a couple nice days, went out riding the bike, and now the winter's back, and it's going to be snowing, and yikes. All right, guys, so there it is. You see what the deal is. Skydio mounted to the Inspire. Have a nice day.